3 kilowatts water-cooled handheld laser welding machine for 3-phase 5-wire, L1, L2, L3, N. Pay voltage between the firing wire 380 volts. Any L and N voltage 220 volts. The use of nitrogen or argon. The air pressure is not less than 0 for MPa. Open the air switch. Switch OFF, turn right on. The screen will light. Open the cabinet. Use distilled water or pure water for water cooler. The water level reaches between the green and yellow areas. Water temperature over 20 degrees Celsius. You can turn on the laser. Turn on the wire feeders. Pay attention to the wire distribution inside the wire feeder. Click the technology. You can set according to the actual situation. Here we set the power 1 kilowatt with 3 millimeters. Click Import, then Return. You can directly change the parameters of the wire feeder here. Then we change the speed to 60 centimeters per minute. The parameters on the wire feeder will also be changed directly. Now we can proceed with the welding operation. Remove the wire feeder bracket. Replace the copper nozzle. Change the welding width to 0 in the setup parameters. Cutting is possible. Click here. Restart the machine. Switch to cleaning interface. Set the parameters according to the actual situation. Remove the focal length scale tube. Cleaning operation can be carried out.